Hello guys, welcome to our new video. In this video we will show you 5 best portable air conditioners. This product is based on my personal opinion, about price, quality and durability. I have checked also many users' review. If you want to know more about this all kinds of products, please check the description below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get future reviews. Let's start the video. Starting on at number 5. LG LP0821 GSSM Smart Portable AC. This portable air conditioner is the smart choice for versatile cooling. Cool your home from anywhere using LG Think technology to control your air conditioner with your phone or use with Amazon Alexa and Hey Google to have control with the sound of your voice. This quiet unit is ideal for cooling medium rooms up to 350 square. Featuring the unit has 2 cooling and fan speeds and a 24-hour timer to create a cooling schedule. The auto swing air vent helps direct the flow of air where it's needed most, whether cooling, dehumidifying or just circulating air. If there is a power outage, the auto restart feature will automatically turn your unit back on when power is restored. Easy rolling casters allow you to efficiently move the unit to another location. At number 4. Blackdecker BPACT10WT 10,000 BTU. This floor-standing portable AC unit provides steady, fast, effective cooling for rooms up to 150 square. Featuring it's the ideal small air conditioner for dorms, apartments, cabins, campers, offices, bedrooms, or living rooms. Just wheel this portable air conditioner into any room with a double hung or sliding window. Attach the included hose and window adapter, and plug it into an outlet. At the end of the season, just unhook and store. The simple remote control and top-mounted LED display with 24-hour timer allow you to precisely control the air temperature. To clean the filter, just slide it out twice a month, rinse it thoroughly under running water, and put it back. Combines 3 energy-efficient functions for all of your cooling and ventilation needs with cool, fan, and dehumidifying modes all in one machine. Bucket-less, self-evaporating operation makes your living space cool, clean and dry. Moving at number 3. Winter ARC14S. This wintergreen ARC14S portable air conditioner features the eco-friendly CFC-free green R32 refrigerant and RoHS-compliant components. This unit features the patented advanced auto-drain technology, which uses and recycles moisture collected during the cooling process to produce cool air. The dual hose operation provides fast cooling. This unit can cool up to a 500 square feet space. Air conditioner, dehumidifier or fan. Cooling capacity 14,000 BTU. ASHRAE-128 standard, 9,500 BTU. DOE plus 2017 standard. Maximum power consumption 1300 W, 11.6 A noise level. At number 2. Honeywell TC10PEU Evaporative Air Cooler. Mimic the comfort of a cool lake breeze in your home with the slim Honeywell 194 CFM Indoor Evaporative Air Cooler, built to cool your immediate area up to 120 square feet. Couch, bed, workspace, breakfast nook. The unit is compact and easily portable for personal evaporative cooling. A low water alarm, easy access water fill door plus a washable dust filter and honeycomb cooling media makes for simple operation and maintenance. Finally at number 1. DeLong Pinguino PACEX390LVYN. Pushing the boundaries of efficiency, the new PACEX390LVYN from DeLong is smarter, quieter, and more personalized than ever before, all while upholding the quality standards consumers associate with DeLong. And with cool surround smart sensing technology, the PACEX390 simplifies your comfort for you by using Bluetooth to monitor the atmosphere around you, and the machine adjusts settings automatically. Saving up to 30% in energy consumption. Covering up to 700 square feet. This unit combines great power with unparalleled effectiveness. New super quiet technology reduces noise by up to 4 dBA, versus delong, a standard AC, offering incredible cooling power without all the clamor. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe.